Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Samsung has just released their new flagship smartphones, Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and S20 Ultra, and is becoming quite popular. If you have decided which one you will pick, the second most important thing is what color you would like to choose from, as it comes in variety of color options. In this video, I will show you all the color options available for this beautiful smartphone and compare them. I will also be making a lot of videos for Galaxy S20 series, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to see all my future videos. Also, you can click over here to see all my unboxing videos. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's first start with all the colors Samsung is offering for these devices. There is Cosmic Black, Cosmic Grey, Cloud Blue and Cloud Pink. There might be some more color options which I'm not aware of at the time of making this video, as sometimes Samsung launches a specific color for a certain country. I live in UAE, and in this region, let me explain which colors are available for the different Galaxy S20 variant. So let's start with Galaxy S20 first. In this region, Galaxy S20 comes with three color options: Cosmic Grey, Cloud Blue and Cloud Pink. Galaxy S20 Plus also comes with three color options: Cosmic Black, Cosmic Grey and Cloud Blue. Galaxy S20 Ultra comes in only two colors: Cosmic Black and Cosmic Grey. Samsung will also provide variety of color, silicone and leather cases for their respective devices. Now let's have a close look at the colors. Starting with the Cosmic Grey, I personally like this color a lot. It looks quite premium with the glass pack. And for some odd reason, this reminds me of HTC U12 Plus grey color, which I have unboxed in the past. You can click over here to see that video. One downside with all the colors is the fingerprint, which is unavoidable. Now let's check the Cloud Blue color. As the name suggests, it's a reminiscence of the nature and the light blue color of the cloud. Quite a refreshing color, I must say. Now let's see the Cloud Pink color. It's a subtle pink color, not too loud and not too muted either. Unfortunately, I could not get hold of the Cosmic Black color, but as the name suggests, it's a classic dark black color you can't go wrong with. Nothing new, but still a classic and timeless color. For me, I personally like the Cosmic Grey color a lot, but which one do you like? Click here to enter the poll and share with me which color you like the most. Now, last important thing before I end this video is that just like other recent Galaxy flagships, these smartphones are also slippery. And because of that, you would want to use a case, as these smartphones are quite pricey. If you want to see more videos on Galaxy S20 series, click here to see the playlist of all the videos I have made for Galaxy S20. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up if you like the video. See you soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.